All-Clad D3 Fry Lid, 10-inch pan, dishwasher safe stainless steel cookware, silver, 10-inch. Timeless professional appeal, All-Clad D3 Stainless is the perfect choice for anyone who loves to cook. Beyond the classic stainless steel style, you will find a well-constructed, high-performance, easy-to-use skillet for all, from beginner to culinary artist. Versatile for all your cooking needs, this 10-inch fry pan features low, sloped sides for easy flipping and turning, and a wide flat surface for searing and browning, fitting 2 to 3 chicken breasts at once. Each piece is crafted with quality materials to hold and distribute heat evenly throughout the pan, so only medium heat is needed for most searing, sautéing, and simmering. Made in the USA to last a lifetime, the D3 Stainless collection features 3 alternating layers of American-made stainless steel and aluminum, bonded together all the way to the rim. The classic stainless steel handles stay cool on the stovetop and are permanently secured with stainless steel rivets. Products are rigorously tested to ensure that every item with the All-Clad logo offers a lifetime of beauty and performance. Convenient and low maintenance, all items included are dishwasher safe. For anything stuck on, use a mixture of white vinegar and water or a stainless steel powder cleanser, such as Barkeeper's Friend. Lifetime warranty. D3 Stainless cookware pieces are crafted in our factory in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. Each piece is compatible with all cooktops, including induction, is oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and is covered by our limited lifetime warranty. 10-inch covered fry pan with wide flat base and versatile low-profile shape. Tri-ply bonded construction consists of durable stainless steel encapsulating an aluminum core for even heating throughout. Highly polished cooking surface with starburst finish offers stick resistance and easy. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.